Hi friends, it's Jima.
And Papa.
I'm just going to show you some of the damage from the storm last night. I had my doctor's appointment today and we had to come over on this side of town. We saw a lot of trees down, a lot of lights not working. So I'll bring you back when we get closer to the trees. Well, there's one there that's down. Sorry for the dirty windows. But yeah, we saw a lot of big pine trees toppled over. I'll bring you back in a minute. That one snapped in half, it looks like. Yeah, we didn't get any snow. We got about 5 minutes worth of rain. That was about it. You can see there's a little bit of snow up on the peak. Not much. We're still lacking in the snowfall. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. We did not experience any damage at our house. We live on the south end of town. Most of the damage was on the northern end of town, the middle of town. It's my understanding there are still people without power. And like I said, we came across a few red lights that weren't working on the way up there. So with that, you guys have a great day. God bless. Papa and I will talk to you later.
See ya.
Bye-bye.